Discussing the transformation of active to passive voice. Question word beginning with who. Only one topic is being discussed here. Who teaches you English? In this interrogative sentence, we can frame two types of sentences. Type 1, by whom are you taught English? Second type is, by whom was English taught to you? Since we have two objects here, you and English, direct object and indirect object both are here in the sentence, so we can frame two sentences. But today's discussion is based on the first sentence alone. We are following this pattern in the following questions. We have seen that the verb teaches is in simple present tense. Does form of the verb is given there. So we have to convert this does form of the verb or teachers V1 form as are taught. Are is based on the object here you. Question number 2. Who is teaching you English? The sentence is present continuous tense. Here the same way we are starting with by whom as in the first sentence. By whom are you? Now ing form is given there, so we have added are you being taught English. Question number 3. Present perfect tense form is given here. Who has taught you English? You know that in present perfect tense, has will be changed into has been or have been plus third form of the verb. So the answer is, by whom have you been taught English? The changes in the auxiliary verb has to have is due to the object here you. Answer is, by whom have you been taught English? Question number 4. This is past tense, simple past tense form. Who taught you English? Verb is V2. Now the answer is, by whom were you taught? That you know, be in the past tense where plus taught. This is the format. Number 5. Who was teaching you English? Was is in the was teaching is the past continuous tense. Was teaching. Be form in the past tense plus verb plus ing. That is changed into, by whom were you being taught English? We are strictly following the rules that we have learnt earlier. Number 6. Who had taught you English? This is past perfect tense had taught. That had is changed into had been. Here the answer is, by whom had you been taught English? Next is simple future tense. Who will teach you English? We are converting that into, by whom will you be taught English? The next question is a model question is model auxiliary word is added here. Who can teach you English? Can will be changed into can be. So the answer is, by whom can you be taught English? So these are the 8 types of sentences. Some practice exercises. The question is, practice the following. Change the following sentences in all possible tense forms and corresponding passive forms. This is the question. Here you see I have given you 5 questions here. What you have to notice is the verbs are given in different tense forms. You have to find out the verb which form it is, and then you have to write the remaining 7 types of sentences, and then totally you can write 8 sentences out of one question, and then 8 passive forms. 8 into 5, 40 pairs of sentences you have to write here. For example, who brought this bouquet of flowers? This is the first sentence. Brought given here is in V2 form. You have to write V1 form, V2 form, and all the rest of the forms. That is 8 sentences you are framing, and then you are finding out the answers of all those 8 questions. Totally you are writing 40 answers. And today we are concluding this session. Learn and practice this type of transformations. Thank you.